Here's everything I packed for our 11-month trip around the world.
I am made to be free.
So we're doing the whole trip with a carry-on, and then we also have our day bag. So I will open those up and show you what I'm bringing. So here's the inside of my carry-on. Most of my stuff is going to be packed in packing cubes. So I have one large packing cube, two medium packing cubes, and then one toiletries bag. Some of the loose things that I'll have in my bag are my sandals, and then in this zip pocket, there's my raincoat, a travel towel, and some wet wipes. I'm also able to stuff my puffer jacket right down here. There's also a zip pocket here where I'm gonna leave my documents folder. Here is everything I'm bringing in my large packing cube. I'm bringing 2 pairs of pants, 2 dresses, one is short and one is long, 2 tank tops, 1 pair of shorts, 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of pajamas, and 2 long sleeves. One is merino wool and one is a button-up. So here's everything I'm bringing in my blue small packing cube. I'm bringing 3 sports bras, a scarf, 1 bathing suit, 8 pairs of underwear, and 4 pairs of socks. Here's everything that's in my small purple packing cube. It's essentially a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So there's my electronics, some plastic bags, some tissues, a collapsible water bottle, a travel pillow, eye mask, laundry bag and laundry soap, some earplugs, a headlamp, some extra medication, a silk sleeping bag, a cutlery set, and 3 different locks. In my electronics cube, I have all of my chargers, an extra pair of headphones, some adapters, USB stick, and my mouse. In my toiletries bag, I'm bringing shampoo, conditioner, cleanser, some moisturizer. In this section, there's a hairbrush, soap, some powder, face moisturizer. And then here, there's toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, Diva cup, some Afterbite, and a little bit more medication. Lastly, I'll go through what's gonna be in my day bag. Obviously, this will change day to day, but just for now, here's what there is. I will have my hat, probably wearing that most of the time, and then my water bottle. So for now, I have my wallet, my sling bag, some sunscreen, tissues, hand sanitizer, a book, a hand fan, some first aid stuff, and my sunglasses. I'll also be bringing my laptop along in the day bag when we're traveling between destinations. So yeah, that's everything I'm bringing for our 11-month trip. Hopefully we'll cover a good amount of terrain that we're gonna be seeing, and let us know if you have any questions.